Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gazi Algifari from Tugas MB. On this occasion, I would like to present the result of my observation regarding various types of trait profile found in surrounding environment. The three essential machine elements that play an important role of fastening and power transmission. Through this observation, I identified 5 types of trait profile, namely the triangle trait, square trait, trapezoidal trait, butter trait, and radius trait. The first type in the triangle trait, also known as triangle or V trait. This profile has a sharp 60-degree angle and is the most commonly used for fastening connection. It provides strong and stable clamping force. Examples include the next type, square trait. This profile the perpendicular side, giving it high efficiency in power transmission. It is widely used mechanism that require large force with minimum friction. Examples include the following type is the trapezoidal trait, which has a profile resembling a square trait. This trait is known for its strength, low capacity, relatively eraser manufacturing compared to square trait. Examples found in my observation include the next is butter trait. This profile has one strike side and one split side, making it very effective for handling axial load in one direction. It is commonly used in applications requiring one-directional compressive force. Examples include the final type is the radius trait, which has rounded trace and roots. This design helps reduce stress concentration and improve resistance to material fatigue. Examples include This concludes my observation regarding various trait profile found in the surrounding environment. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.